For our environmental leadership project, we worked with the Williamsburg Woodland Trails Committee to do our trail maintenance and expand the trail system on Briar Hill Road. We decided on this work because we have enjoyed walking on trails, but we've never helped sustain them. It felt important to give back to a resource we've used and enjoyed throughout our lives. We conducted this work on the unceded homelands of the Kumtuk, Mohican, and Nipmuc people. We acknowledged the genocide and forced removal perpetrated by settler colonial forces. We honor and respect the many indigenous people still connected to this land. Williamsburg was founded in the late 18th century by agrarian settlers who cleared and harvested the hardwood forests to make space for their farms, according to Ralman John Black, the Williamsburg Historical Commissioner. As fields were abandoned, forests grew in them, and now the town has about 17.3 miles of woodland trails, which is over a half marathon.
Our work here today entailed mapping out trails both strategically and intuitively, then raking leaves off the paths, and finally tread creation when necessary. Paul, chair of the Williamsburg Woodland Trails Committee, is going to elaborate a little bit more on what we did.
Today we were doing some trail creation here. We're making a new trail connection from an existing trail to a new trail network on the adjacent property. We were focused mostly on tread creation, so we were actually doing what's called bench cutting.
Bench cutting, okay. Can you tell me a little more about that process and kind of what it entails out here?
Sure. So it's cutting into the back slope of the ground.
Right.
It's a contour trail, so it goes across the contour. And we're cutting in to get down to the mineral soil, which makes the firm tread. And then if we go across the contour, it allows water to flow off the trail and avoids creating erosion. So we used a whole bunch of different tools to do this today.
It meant a lot to us to be part of something larger than ourselves. Being trail creators help hikers appreciate and experience our work. For the Williamsburg community, having dedicated trails and partial help from a supportive group of volunteers bodes well for the future of the preserve. Civic engagement is the process of individuals or groups coming together to support a good cause, one that will benefit from everyone involved. Promoting and participating in civil engagement is crucial as it fosters inclusivity and a sense of community. Our project was specifically designed as an environmental leadership form of civic engagement. We took an initiative to make part of the world around us more accessible, safe, and fun. They gave us a chance to come out and see their work entailed was a fanatic opportunity, one we did not take for granted. Volunteering out time and energy, they've taken a lot out of us physically, but emotionally we were fulfilled and felt rewarded. Environmental leadership and resource conservation go hand in hand, mainly because it takes all of us to actively contribute to conservation. After a long day at Williamsburg Woodland Trails, we can all agree that the world would be a better place if everyone volunteered more.